5 lessons entrepreneurs can learn from top food delivery apps. Thinking of launching a food delivery app? Well, just copying Uber Eats won't cut it. Want to stand out? Take notes from the best in the game. Here are 5 genius strategies top food delivery apps used to dominate, and how you can use them too. Lesson 1. DoorDash, the power of market expansion. Most food delivery apps started in big cities, assuming that's where all the demand is. But DoorDash, they went the other way. They focused on smaller towns and suburban areas first, before scaling up. Takeaway: look for untapped areas. If you want to dominate the market, look where your competitors aren't. Sometimes, untapped areas are where the real gold mine is. Bonus insight: DoorDash also built relationships with smaller, independent restaurants. This gave them a unique edge, offering food that wasn't available on competitors' platforms. Lesson 2. Uber Eats, leverage existing networks. Uber Eats had an unfair advantage, and they used it brilliantly. They didn't have to build a fleet from scratch, because Uber already had thousands of drivers on the road. By tapping into that existing network, they scaled fast without the usual growing pains. Takeaway: use your current resources. If you have an existing business, whether it's logistics, delivery, or something else, find ways to integrate it. Bonus insight: they also introduced cross-promotions, giving Uber riders discounts on food orders and vice versa. Genius move to boost retention across platforms. Lesson 3. Grubhub, customer loyalty is key. Let's be honest, customers love discounts. Grubhub took full advantage of this by launching aggressive loyalty programs, exclusive deals, and restaurant partnerships to keep users coming back. Takeaway: offer perks for sticking around. If you want people to order from your app, loyalty programs are a must. Give customers something valuable for sticking around, like cashback, subscription perks, or member-only discounts. Bonus insight: Grubhub also prioritizes personalization. Their app learns what users like and suggests restaurants accordingly, keeping engagement high. Lesson 4. Postmates, diversification can be a game changer. Why limit yourself to just food? Postmates changed the game by delivering everything: groceries, alcohol, medicine, and even retail items. This expanded their audience far beyond just hungry customers. Takeaway: diversify wherever possible. If you're thinking about starting a food delivery app, ask yourself, can you offer more? Maybe late-night essentials, alcohol delivery, pharmacy items. Bonus insight: Postmates also mastered hyperlocal partnerships, collaborating with unique stores to offer things people couldn't find elsewhere. Lesson 5. Caviar, niche markets work. Instead of chasing mass appeal, Caviar went for exclusivity. They focused on high-end restaurants that weren't available on mainstream apps, attracting premium customers willing to pay more for gourmet meals. Takeaway: target a specific category of people. If you find the right niche, you can create an audience that's super loyal and willing to pay a premium. Bonus insight: Caviar's focus on high-end service also meant higher profit margins. A smart move when competing with companies constantly slashing delivery fees. Now here's the big question: what's your competitive edge? Do you have a unique idea or need clarity on how to stand out in the crowded market? Let's talk. Click the link in the description to book a free consultation with our experts at Quickworks.